I was a teenage mother. I had my oldest daughter when I was 16 years old. My mom and dad, they were very, very helpful. But there were other members of the family who just thought that I was going to be a lost cause. Well, I call myself a statistical fluke because I didn't allow myself to be that statistic.
The name of our organization is A Girl's Gift. We are an organization for young girls ages 10 through 14.
Okay.
And we're just designed to help them feel better about who they are, what they can achieve, and to provide them with great mentors. I own a children's hair salon called My First Salon, and it started as a result of my very own daughter.
Okay.
I have a 10-year-old daughter, took her into the salon, and because she has so much thick hair, the stylists wanted to do what was easy for them, which was typically chemically straighten it. And it just wasn't acceptable at that time. And I said to her, there's got to be a place that we can take you. And we couldn't find one. And that's how we started.
Mama opened up her own. Way to go.
And over the years, what we realized is that it was about so much more than hair.
Yes.
So when Erica came along with this idea, I said, yes, this is needed. We've got to do this.
Deshawn works full-time as a producer. I'm an attorney and family mediator, so our plates were filled. What we did was we started to meet every Friday at Starbucks. I said, we'll just tackle it week by week, an hour at a time. Just trying to get it all together because we had the ideas and we knew we could do the work.
And I'm proud to say that that little baby of mine who I had when I was 16 is going away to college this year. Yes.
I feel like there's so much more in me to give, and just hearing other women's stories really is inspiring me to a whole different level.
Many of us didn't know each other, but after today, we say that we're going to get together, we're going to do some things, we're going to collaborate, and we're going to make it happen.